Watch out! The human is coming. Quick, hide.
Just stay cool, you young fools.
Oh no. Now we're trapped.
Dizzy, do something. Turn yourself off. This is too ridiculous for a coin of my age.
Oh, Mr. Coin, I'm so sorry. There's nothing I can do. The human has pressed my buttons, and I can't help it. I just have to tumble.
Yikes. Oh my goodness me. This is intolerable. I haven't had to put up with this sort of indignity in years. I certainly hope that the human didn't choose a long wash cycle.
Life is a tumble, a total rumble, and it's hard to be humble. You gotta bumble along. Where you end up, no one knows. In the giant tumble dryer of life, the rough and tumble, the constant bumble makes you wanna fumble. You're always getting into strife. Where you end up, no one knows. In the giant tumble dryer of life, round and we go. Where we stop, no one knows. In the giant tumble dryer of life. In the giant tumble dryer of life.
Shh. Phew. Shh.
That was a close call. Let's get out of here.